I've always had the interest and love affair with open cockpit aeroplanes. Always wanted to have one and fly one, and one became available as a project at our airport. The aeroplane is a 1941 Waco UPF-7 model. It was initially privately owned and then owned by the Defense Department. They used it for the civil pilot training program. It then got in an accident, and it was then put back into flying condition, and then about 4 or 5 owners through to 1948. And that was the last flight in the logbook, and then it was purchased with the previous owner in 1976. The previous restorer his name was Bob Grider. He's well known in the Waco community. He was more of a tinkerer than he was to get it finished and flying. He did all the heavy lifting on the project basically over the years of restoring the airframe, the wings, the instrumentation, a lot of new metal everywhere. It was purchased as a collection of parts by the previous owner in 1976 and didn't really start to work on it until 1990. Unfortunately, his health took some setbacks, and I purchased it in 2021 as a project that was near completion. It then took me 2 years and 2,000 hours to finish it up, and flew it off for the first time there last year in October. We had, for help on the project, we had 3 young Eagles helping, and 2 others helping from the airport. Originally it came out without the cowling. That was an option, along with the wheel pants. I put on a used cowling, basically from a bamboo bomber, and fitted it, and with a lot of metal work. The experiences of finishing the work and getting it flying is very emotional. I hadn't flown since 1948 by the records, or soon thereafter. It's a major accomplishment, I think, for everybody, both the previous restoration person there, Bob Grider, and myself.